For millennia, humanity has looked to the night sky and seen a familiar family of planets. A clockwork universe governed by predictable rules: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, a tidy cosmic neighborhood. But what if that neighborhood isn't quite so tidy? What if beyond the orbit of Neptune, in the icy darkness, a giant planet is hiding in plain sight? This is the story of a cosmic mystery. The search for a world so massive, so distant, and so elusive, it could rewrite our understanding of the solar system. This is the search for Planet 9. The story begins with the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies and dwarf planets that lies beyond Neptune. Think of it as a frozen wasteland, a junkyard of the solar system's leftovers. For a long time, we thought of it as a random, scattered mess of rocks. But in the early 2000s, astronomers started noticing something strange. When we started tracking these distant objects, we found that a small group of them seemed to be moving together. Their orbits were all tilted in a similar way, and they all pointed to the same spot in the sky. It was as if something was shepherding them. It was a clear, statistically significant pattern that shouldn't exist by chance. It suggested an unseen force, a gravitational puppet master pulling the strings. In 2016, two astronomers, Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown, presented a bold hypothesis. They calculated that the most plausible explanation for this cosmic choreography was a new, undiscovered planet, a world they nicknamed Planet 9. Their calculations suggested a planet roughly 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting a staggering 20 times farther away from the Sun than Neptune. At that distance, it's a cold, dark, and incredibly faint object. The sunlight it receives is a whisper, making it nearly invisible to even our most powerful telescopes. The hunt for Planet 9 is a search for a ghost. Telescopes around the world are now scanning the skies, sifting through millions of stars and galaxies, looking for a tiny, faint point of light moving against the backdrop of the cosmos. With every new observation, with every new analysis, we're slowly narrowing down the possibilities. We know its mass. We have a good idea of its orbit, and we're getting closer to finding its exact location. The needle is there. We just have to be patient. If Planet 9 exists, its discovery would be a monumental moment in science. It would not only expand our solar system, but also give us an unprecedented look at how planetary systems form and evolve. It's a testament to the fact that even in an age of exploration, there are still fundamental truths about our own cosmic backyard that remain undiscovered.